In product, click List submenu. Click Add Product. Fill the name of the product. Choose a product category and subcategory which was saved in Manage category. There is an option as Add Product Header. This is used to add the header for your product. By using this header, you can add the specialization of your company. For instance, New Arrival or Best as the header. Choose the GST and add UOM by clicking the plus symbol. If UOM to be customized, there is a box named Add UOM on the top which can be used. There is an option of adding your product multiple times. Choose UOM, fill the pricing details. If offers needed, can be used either as price or percentage. HSN, tag name and local name are optional. If needed, can be added. And click Save. The product will be saved successfully. The product saved will be available in the product detail page.